Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pa Malikba, your Gambian crypto enthusiast. Today I want to share with you some of the things I've been building with AI, and key among them is the GCE Market Intelligence, right? So I built a dashboard where I would show the daily FX indicative rates in the market. Now, the reason why I designed this is that I've been in the banking industry for over a decade. I've had experience in the Gambia banking industry, Sierra Leone, and Nigeria. Now, what I've noticed in Gambia and Sierra Leone is you have a fragmented um, FX market where you have different channels showing different rates, right? And that causes information asymmetry. Now, that being the case, it becomes difficult for market users, beneficiaries of remittances, to know where the actual levels of the dollar is against the dollars. Now, because of this, I created the dashboard so that I will aggregate different rates from banks. Currently, banks use a request for quote model. So most of the banks don't really publish daily indicative rates like on their website. They normally maybe send it through emails or SMSs. Now, the only bank that I see that publishes indicative rates is Trust Bank Limited. Excuse me for that. So the only bank, yeah, the only bank that publishes daily indicative rates is Trust Bank Limited. Kudos to them. And so we get data from all these banks to show where the bid and offer is. And then we also check where the money transfer operators are taking remittances, the likes of Sendwave, Western Union, and the likes. So we look at them and see where the levels are. Some publish at 66 levels, some 69, so you have different rates for these IMTOs. Then we look at the parallel market where, legally ma cost man boki poli and like le man the fan la dollar the fangena jaye agenda dollar. So they will tell me, so I'll call different people and they will let me know, then I can gauge where the level is. Then I also look at the crypto market, right? The crypto market is also a new channel in the market where um, people that understand it use it to send remittances or to store value. Now, once we have all of this, the AI aggregates it and do a spread analysis, right? So the spread analysis will look at the bid and offer spread of banks, look at the parallel premium, meaning the difference between where the parallel market is selling dollar and where the banks are selling dollar. And then it looks at the difference between the various channels, and it does some market insights, right? So the AI will analyze it, looking at the let me scroll up, yeah. So looking at the market insight, it will tell you, it will give some commentary, right? And then you also have experts like myself, where we also give commentary around what's happening in the market, right? So this actually gives you a good insight into what's happening in the market, and you would really know where the currency is trading. And this feature I added today, I really like it, the navigation bar. So this tells you the different rates. So it shows you where different currencies are offered in the Gambia. You have the Euro Dalasi, you CAD Dalasi, NOK Dalasi, right? And then it also shows you the cross rates, right? If you're a businessman, it shows you where Euro Dollar cross rate is. Excuse me, that's the screen rate, right? And it also shows you cryptocurrency rates, where Bitcoin is trading today against dollar, Ethereum against dollar, right? And it also shows you the currency against Dalasi. So dollar against Dalasi today offer rate. So it's actually picking official rates where banks are selling dollar, and then the AI would also generate the pound Dalasi rate using the cross rates against the offer rate in dollar, and likewise for the euro, Canadian dollar, Norwegian krona, Swedish krona, and then I've added ZOF. Let me see. So we have the ZOF, that's the CFA, because CFA is also a key currency that is being used. So let me see. Let me, yeah. So I've added CFA, so you will see ZOF um, USD and also ZOF GMD. So that gives you an idea where the market is. Please feel free. You can always visit the site. It's Gambia-market-pulse.replit.app. I'll put it in the description. And I also have a WhatsApp channel where we share some of this educational content around digital assets. Feel free to follow the channel. See you next time. Thank you.